Welcome to demo of Workcenter console in LIPS. For us, Workcenter is a unit of equipment or group of persons that can perform an elemental task. Workcenters are usually classified within departments on shop floor. We called it classification by location when you configured your own database. Likewise, one could also classify workcenters by function, as discussed while configuring. Here, in the Workcenter console window, you will observe menu bar with 5 menus and their corresponding drop-downs. Also, you will observe 6 more buttons below the menu which are shortcuts for some of menu items. Moreover, you will see an arrow moving back and forth in green color, meaning a healthy connection. This console is basically designed for notifying running tasks. Moreover, you can also see the task details that are expected to be executed in future as well as past tasks you executed earlier. Let us click on the Work in Progress menu at the top left corner. You will see 3 menu items as all, Workcenter wise, operator wise. Similarly, when you click on Work to Do menu, you will see 3 menu items as all, Workcenter wise, operator wise, and the same menu items when you click on Work Done. Since operator information is not required in the evaluation version, so third menu item is kept disabled in all menus. Let us click Work in Progress and click on All Menu Item. It will display all the running tasks on all work centers. The same functionality can be invoked by clicking the first button in the toolbar below. Now, at the bottom right, you will see 3 more buttons. Quick Notification to quickly notify the task, Attributes kept disabled in the evaluation version, press Exit to come out. One can filter tasks for a given work center using the second menu item Work Center Wise. Selecting a particular work center will display all those tasks which are running on the selected work center. Let us click on the Work to Do menu. Clicking on All Menu Item will display tasks in the grid which are expected to be executed in future. The same functionality can be invoked by clicking the second button in the toolbar below. One can filter tasks for a given work center using the second menu item Work Center Wise. Selecting a particular work center will display all those tasks which are expected to be executed on the selected work center. Also, when you click on Work Done menu and click All, in the same way you will see list of all past tasks. The same functionality can be invoked by clicking the third button in the toolbar below. One can filter tasks for a given work center using the second menu item Work Center Wise. Selecting a particular work center will display all those tasks which have been executed on the selected work center. There are 3 more actions, that is statistics, breakdown and breakdown utility associated with every work center listed in Work Center menu. Let us click on Work Center menu and select a particular work center and click its statistics option to see speed and utilization graph, which is quite self-explanatory. Press Exit to come out. Also, a work center can be under breakdown, so there is a facility available for operator to enter duration of breakdown and the reason of breakdown. Let us click on Work Center menu and select Breakdown for a particular work center. You will see a new window allowing you to enter the duration of the breakdown and reason behind the breakdown. Pressing Submit will submit your breakdown to scheduling engine. Press Exit to get out of the window. However, Think of a situation when operator cannot work because of NSTZ or some other reason like shortage of manpower, etc. Then click on the Work Center menu and select a particular work center and select its breakdown utility feature to open a window where you can enter duration of your breakdown utility and check some standard reasons. However, one can define one's own reason, but this functionality is kept disabled in this evaluation version. Press OK button for deliberate submission or press cancel to come out. Configuration menu and its menu items is self-explanatory. Feel free to explore all features. However, some are kept disabled in the evaluation version. Thank you.